Hello friends, I Purushottam Maurya welcomes you on this A to Z Exam Guru platform. Today we will study about the important topic of coordinate geometry, that is circle. So let us see. This is the general diagram of circle, right friends? This point O, you see, it's called center of the circle or a fixed point of a circle, and this P point is a moving point, right? It is a moving point, is called a fixed point. Right friends, so the distance between fixed point and moving point is called the radius of circle, and it is denoted by a small letter r or a small a. So circle is a locus of a moving point with respect to fixed point. So the locus of a moving point with respect to fixed point is called the circumference of the circle, or simply the circle. Right friends? So I hope that you will got the definition, and the coordinates of this point h comma k, this fixed point is h and k, and the point of this moving point is x comma y. So let us see the general equation of the circle. So the general equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, or you can denote it by r square or a square, which notation you like you can do, it is no difference about it, right friends? So it is x, it is a moving point x, right? And it is h, it is h, which is a fixed point, plus it is a moving point y, and it is fixed point k, y minus k whole square equal to radius. And the derivation of this formula is not in your syllabus, it is not asked in your examinations, else otherwise it is very simple, simply using the distance formula. So friends, now move to the some next thing. Simply suppose that the center of the circle lies on the origin. Then what will be the equation of the circle? If this center of this circle will lie on the origin, then we know very well that the coordinates of origin will always be 0 comma 0. It means that h will be 0 if center lies at origin. Center lies at origin, then it's h comma k equal 0. If we put this value in the above equation number 1, we will get x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to r square, means x square plus y square equal to r square. Dear friends, this is the general equation of the circle which center lies on the origin, right friends? So let us see one question based on the this formula. Find the equation of circle whose radius is 6 and center is at origin. If the radius, case 1, if center at origin and radius is 6 unit, right friends? Then what is the solution of this question? It means x square plus y square equal to 6 square. It means you will x square plus y square equal to 36, right friends? Now let us see another question. If the center will lies, coordinates of center is 2 comma minus 3 and the radius is 5. Then what is the equation of circle? Then let us see. We know the general equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. It means x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to r square. It means 5 square. Simply, if you solve it, you will get x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square equal to 25. Dear friends, you can solve it further. This is simply a expansion of a minus b whole square. As I hope you will know, the expansion of what a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, and expansion of a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. By using these two identities, we will solve it. So it becomes x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 9 plus 6y equal 25. Friends, so it will x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y equal to 25 minus 13. 4 plus 9, it goes to 13, and you will get x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y equal to 12. Right, friends? So write down it as x square 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. So friends, once again I will repeat the whole process. So let us see. If the circle is given to you and it is said to you that find the equation of the circle, then first of all you need two things. You should know the coordinates of the center and the radius of the center, or the point from which the circle is passing on. Then by finding the distance between the fixed point and moving point, you will know to radius. Right, friends? And by using this equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, you can simply find the equation of the circle by putting these values. And let us see, if this circle will passes from the origin, then what it reduces. As I explained to you, that if this circle passes from the origin, the coordinates of the center of the circle lies on the origin, and the coordinates of origin is 0 comma 0. So at the place of h comma k, you have to put 0 comma 0, and so the equation will be reduces as x square plus y square equal to r square simply. And by in these cases you have to write only the radius of the circle, x square plus y square, and write down the square of the radius. You will find the equation. As in this case you are seeing that the center lies at the origin and the radius is 6, so the equation is directly you can write it as x square plus y square equal to 36. And in second case, the center is lies at 2 comma minus 3 and the radius is 5. So by putting these coordinates 2 and minus 3 in this proper place and writing the radius at this place, I will got this equation x square plus y square equal to minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. So dear friends, I hope this the very basic and introductory lecture you will find be useful to your understanding the concepts. In next lecture we will solve the some more cases and question based on each cases. So friends, if you find this lecture useful, subscribe this A to Z exam group YouTube channel and share it in your friends and write your comment in comment box. That's why we will make this lecture more useful to you. Thank you so much once again for watching this lecture. We will meet in very next lecture. Thank you so much.